Everyone thought Amazon FBA was solved, and then Amazon went and changed how titles are going to be written. The new rule? 75 character titles, 150 character subtitles. Here's what most people don't know yet. If you don't change and update your listings, Amazon's AI is going to do it for you. This is going to create a massive shift in who is showing on page 1 versus who falls back to page 2. But here's the good news. Data Dive is going to give you the tools to transform this into an opportunity to outrank your competitors and skyrocket your sales. And stick around until the end. I've got something for you. Our CEO and founder, Brandon Young, is an active seller and on track to do $25 million on Amazon just this year alone. These are the exact steps he's taking right now. I'm going to show you how to track every single one of them in Data Dive so that you can do the same things for your own catalog. This is Rank Radar. It's showing you your organic rank day after day, next to your PPC performance and your SQP data. This covers every keyword you care about. Here's why that matters right now. You're about to make changes to a title that has been stable for months, maybe even for years. Every edit is a bet. Rank Radar is going to tell you if that's a bet that you won or you lost. Pull up the product that you're editing. Look at its full keyword list or search terms. These are every single way a shopper searches for this product, not just the obvious one. Completely different searches. Miss one important one in your new title, and that's real traffic walking away. Make your edits and come back here to Rank Radar the next day. Not next week, but tomorrow. You're watching for two things. Does your rank hold or does it climb? If it climbs, you are safe. Keep going. If the rank falls off a cliff on one keyword, that's not a coincidence. That's your title losing indexing in real time. Revert it before it costs you a week of sales. Here's the question that trips people up 2 weeks into this process. It's, wait, which edit caused that? You made 5 small changes and 4 of them worked, but 1 of them tanked. Which one was it? That's where listing changes earns its keep. Every change to your listing, title, bullets, images, or price gets logged automatically. Date, description, no spreadsheet, no sticky notes, no relying on your memory. So as you're stripping fluff out of your title and feeding it into the subtitle, every single edit will show up here on its own timeline with a performance impact percentage sitting right next to it. And here's a shortcut that most people don't know exists. You can actually start or unpause a Rank Radar right from this screen. Now, if you need, reference Rank Radar. See a rank shift? Come back here, check the timestamp. Which edit happened right before it? That's your answer. Keep it or kill it. So here's the loop. Small edit, log it. You can do that in notes in Rank Radar if you would like, but keep in mind listing changes is going to automatically log that for you. Watch Rank Radar over the next few days. Keep it or revert it and repeat. That's exactly how Brandon's approaching it across his own catalog on the way to 25 million this year. It feels slow. It's not. It's the difference between losing a keyword for a week or losing it for good. And here's the part worth sitting with. Most sellers aren't going to do any of this. They're going to wait until July 27th, let Amazon write the title for them, and find out the hard way that they got left out. That's not a threat. That's just what happens when you don't touch it. You don't have to be one of them. Now, the thing that I promised you at the beginning of this video, if you're not using Data Dive yet, we're giving you a free trial so you can start tracking this before July 27th, not after. Link is below. Get in, get your titles tracked, and let Amazon's deadline work in your favor instead of against you. I'm Lauren from Data Dive, and I'll see you next time.